Hi, I'm Wade, your GetSetUp guide. Most of us struggle when it comes to organizing our lives. We have appointments to remember, lists of things we need to buy, things we need to do. If you're having problems keeping your life organized, this is the class for you. The goal of this class is to teach you how to use Google tools to help organize your life. In the class, you will learn how to store all of your events on Google Calendar, and then get reminders on your smartphone so you never forget another appointment. How to use Google Tasks to put all of your to do items in one place and get rid of all those post it notes. How to keep checklists like your grocery list on Google Keep and then check them off at the grocery store as you put them in your grocery cart, and much more. One excited learner stated, "I can't wait to use these tools and get my life back." If you need to get organized, I hope you will sign up for the class, meet other learners with similar interests, and become part of our lifelong learning community at GetSetUp.